beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huh? Yeah. Now your next topic is ratio to percentage. How to convert this one? Firstly, I will tell you some concept. Okay, class? Okay. Suppose
Okay.
A ratio B is given. Suppose A ratio is given. So we have to find the A part and B part in this ratio. What is part? Okay, how much parts A and B contain in this ratio? So part of A written as A upon A plus B, and part of B written as B upon A plus B. Means here the which part we are trying to find? Here total. There is total. Which part we have to find it out? B part, Bth part is what value B contains out of in this ratio. Suppose this is a pan, and there will be some sugar and some water. There will be a jar where some sugar and water. Mix it, we get a sugar solution. We get a sugar solution. Isn't it, class? अगर हम चीनी और पानी को मिलाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? सुगर सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा, शरबत मिलेगा. So we have to find how much sugar was there, how much water was there. So sugar I will write S, and water I will write W. So the ratio of sugar and water written in this way, but part of sugar written in this way. Sugar upon total S plus W, and part of W is equal to W upon S plus W. This means in this mixture, what parts were sugar contain and what parts, how much water contains, how much sugar contains. Okay, this means the ratio of meaning is this one. How to convert this ratio into percentage after getting this one? This is part of A. After getting this one, you have to multiply by 100 because this is fraction, and to convert fraction we have to multiply by 100. Here also 100, here also 100. I mean, this is the basic concept of ratio to percent, how to convert ratio into percentage. Okay, class?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next concept, take a screenshot of this one. Take a screenshot of this one.
Taken, sir.
No one leave the class. If you leave the class, then definitely you are absent, and positively I will complain these things to your parents.
Sir, it is saying screenshot is not allowed to this app.
Off your mic from your side. Is any question? Then you will ask me regarding these things right now. Okay, class?
Okay, sir.
Now next topic, percent increase or decrease. Percentage increase or decrease. How to find percentage increase or decrease? So look at here, percentage increase formula was there. Increase minus initial upon initial into 100 and percentage decrease initial minus decreased upon initial. Very easy formula, isn't it? It is easy or not? Okay. So these are the basic things how to find percentage increase and decrease. Suppose let's look one example. Suppose 2020 one car cost is 7,20,000. Suppose in 2020 one car cost will be 7,20,000 and 2021 one car cost will be 6,80,000. Means same car will be same, but in 2020 it will be quite what? Anyone? In 2020 it is quite costly for us. In 2021 the same car cost will be get down, so it will be in comparison quite less costly than the last year. That means the price of car will be decreased here. The price of car will be decreased here. Are you getting me, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means in a 2020 means this year a Hyundai car, man, suppose Hyundai car cost
Audi.
7 ऑडी करोड़ों में मिलती है बेटा, ऑडी लाखों में और ज्यादा मिलती है. So Hyundai car cost 7,20,000 in 2021 means next coming year it cost will be fell down. It will be 6,80,000. So its price will be decreased. So here we will find it out percentage decreased. Okay, okay class.
Okay, sir.
And suppose 2020 your fees was 2,000 per month. Your fees was 2,000 per month. And 2021 your fees was 3,500 per month. So your fees of school was increased or decreased? Tell me. It is increased. So here in this case we have to find this one. So are you getting the basic concept of percentage increase or decrease, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next concept, profit and loss. Before profit and loss, I will give you some basic concept: selling price, cost price. So selling price. Everything you have to note it down on your notebook. Whatever written over here means take a screenshot of this one. Everything must be written over there in your notebook, in your notebook actually. No need to write this one. No. This one we need to write. Sugar and water. Take a screenshot of this one, and this one. Now concept of selling price. Suppose before selling price, I think I will tell you cost price. suppose a shopkeeper purchased something from somewhere, from the manufacturer sites or somewhere else. A shopkeeper purchased a shoe. A shoe means a pair of shoe, means a shoes means a one pair. वो एक तो खरीदेगा, नहीं खरीदेगा तो पेयर में ही खरीदेगा भाई. ओके, तो शॉपकीपर परचेज्ड अ शू for 500. Okay, and so this 500 will be the cost price for this shopkeeper. Okay, this 500 will be the cost price for shopkeeper. Yeah, it will be also known as buying price. Okay, and a shoe means up one pair. Sell by this shopkeeper. Suppose I sell by 750. Sell by 750. Are you getting me? He purchased, shopkeeper purchased a shoe pair, means one pair of shoes 500, and he sells 750 of this. So this is basically selling price, means a shopkeeper or anyone, at what price he or she will purchase it will be cost price for him, for shopkeeper, and in what price shopkeeper sell that particular item, that is known as selling price. And 750 for us means suppose we are buying this shoes, for us this is a cost price because हमें तो 750 मिला ना जी. मान लो हम बेचते तो हम उसको 900 में बेचेंगे. Okay class, so means person to person selling price cost price will change. Suppose shopkeeper price cost price will be 500 and its selling price will be 750. And suppose I will buy this one and I will sell to someone. Is it happening in the local market? Suppose there will be one big market in the wholesale market, you simply say, and a small retailer, means a small shopkeeper purchase something for anything like 1,000 rupees. It will goes down to one village, it will sell this particular thing in 1,200. Isn't it? Is it possible? तो क्या होता है, मीन्स जैसे बड़ी दुकानें होती हैं, वहां से छोटा दुकानदार कुछ चीजें खरीद कर लेके आता है 1000 पे, तो अपने गांव ले जाता, उसी को वो 1200 में बेचता है. होता है ऐसा, नहीं होता बेटा? Is it happen now? Is it happen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you
Yes, sir.
means you are getting the concept of selling price, cost price. Cost price is the price at what the particular item purchased by us or shopkeeper. Okay, and selling price is the price at what that particular items or article will be sold to someone, by me, by you, or by shopkeeper. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
take a screenshot of this one. Now profit means फायदा. Okay, and loss means लाभ. You have to learn only this thing, profit and loss. When a person get profit, tell me, suppose I will buy something by 100 rupees. I will bought some article, suppose chocolate pack, and I will sell it 90. So I'm getting profit or loss? I'm buying this thing, the chocolate packet of 100 rupees, and sell this thing is on 90. So I'm getting loss of profit.
Loss, sir. Loss.
Okay.
Loss.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Loss.
Suppose
Loss.
I am purchase same thing 100 and selling 150.
Loss.
Profit. Profit.
In this case profit beta, in this case loss. Okay. Okay, so this is basic.
Sir.
This is basic concept of profit and loss. Means when profit happened, look at here. Profit when it is happened. Profit when selling price is greater than cost price. That means the article cost price is less than selling price. यानी कि जिसने का आर्टिकल हम लोग लेके आएंगे कोई भी आइटम्स उससे ज्यादा हम बेचेंगे तभी तो प्रॉफिट होगा हमें. सीधी सी बात है. और लॉस कब होगा? बस यानी कि हम 100 का लेके आए हैं और 50 बेच रहे हैं तो हमसे बड़ा पागल कौन होगा? Yes or no? Class, are you getting me? Suppose प्रथमेश 100 रुपीज की कोई चीज लेके आया, उसने कपिल सर को 50 रुपीज में दे दी कि सर आपके लिए डिस्काउंट है 50%, मतलब 50 रुपीज का, तो वो लॉस में रहेगा फायदे में रहेगा?
लॉस.
ओके. अब अगर प्रेसर्वेशन डिसाइड किया नहीं मैं क्यों दूं सस्ता, मैं दूंगा 150 रुपीज का, तो मतलब मैं कहूंगा ये तो मुझको ठग रहा है. Isn't it? Is it? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Profit. Yes.
Okay. On your video, everyone, fast. I want to take your attendance right now. On your video. Everyone on your video. Otherwise, you know what I will do. On your video, everyone. Renuka, Shiv-Prasad, Utkarsh, Atharv. Why you are leaving the class? On your video. On your. Yes. Srishti, Renuka, Shiv-Prasad. On your video, beta, everyone. Fast. Is it possible to on your video? Only these guys are only present who are on video. Rest name cut it down over from there. हाँ जो वीडियो में है केवल वही उसी का नाम रहेगा, बाकी सबको काट दो. गायत्री is also on video right before.
तो गायत्री का नाम कट कर दो.
हाँ गायत्री वीडियो में थी, चली गई. गायत्री on your video. Everyone on your video. Otherwise your name will be cancelled out from your attendance. Shiv-Prasad. Shiv-Prasad. Fad. Renuka. The guys are leaving the class. I don't know why. So only 9 are present right now. Those who, how many are present at that time? Because they are leaving the class, so they are absent. 15 are present. Now this time 9, including you, 16 are over there. This is right now 9. Okay, I will look about this.
Now who is present only their name I will
Told her tick over there. Who's on online, tick over there. Rest are absent.
Atharv is not there. No. Gayatri. Yes. Parth. Yes. Prathamesh. Yes. Srushti. Where is Srushti?
Absent.
Also not there.
Absent.
Karthik. Yes. Arya. No.
Arya is trying to join, but I don't know where she is.
Lakshman.
Yes, Parth, I am visible.
Sai.
I am watching you. आप देख रहे हो, मुझे परेशान ना हो, देख रहे हो आप। Lakshman Munde, he is coming late every day.
No sir, he was there. Now only removed. I have saw him.
Okay.
Then Lakshman is there.
Okay, now I will continue my class.
Then Renuka Utkarsh or Shuprasad. Renuka is there. Renuka is there. Utkarsh is not there.
Told to ma'am they leave the class after some time. Only they show on name over there. Miss name की शकल दिखा के चले गए, फिर चले गए बाद में. Okay, now profit loss concept clear to you?
Yes sir.
When selling price is bigger than cost price, and loss when selling price is less than cost price. Okay, class?
Yes sir.
Okay, sir.
Now profit percent and loss percent. How to find this one? Profit percent and loss percent. Profit percent formula, profit, note everything, note it down, everyone. Cost profit upon cost price into 100. Loss upon cost price into 100. And only profit. How to find profit? Profit is equals to SP minus cost price.
SP means sir.
Selling price. SP means Superintendent of Police and Commissioner of Police. And loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Means how to get a profit? Superintendent of Police में से Commissioner of Police आप separate कर देंगे. So you got our answer. Means there will be selling price. This is a selling price, not Superintendent of Police. Selling price, beta. I am just kidding. I'm just kidding. Before some time. And this is a cost price. This is a when you are trying to find profit only, profit or profit amount. Profit or profit amount, loss or loss amount, both are same thing. Profit or profit amount, loss or loss amount, both are same thing. So keep this in mind. These are most important formula for coming exercise. Now simple interest topic. Have you taken the screenshot of this one?
Yes, sir.
Simple interest. When it is applied and what is. Have you done this thing in the previous class? Okay. Have you done this thing in the previous class? Simple interest?
No.
Okay,
Sir.
okay.
No, sir, not
Oh,
done.
okay, okay. Suppose, look at here. Suppose this is a person, one person. Okay. And this is another person. This is a means money lender type. Money lender means बहुत धनवान व्यक्ति. इसका this is a stomach. Okay. So look at here. This is money lender and this is a borrower. Borrower or what can I say this name? What other name this one we can take? Okay, I will let you take. Borrower is very means up to here. Means to understand simple interest, borrower is okay. But I will tell you the another name of this one. later I am not reminded right now. So wait. Suppose money lender मीन जो पैसे वाला व्यक्ति होता है, धनवान व्यक्ति, जैसे अंबानी जी हो गए, ये अंबानी जी हैं और ये जैसे मैं हूं, मी. ओके, दिस इज अंबानी सर एंड दिस इज मी. एंड इफ अंबानी सर गिव मी 1 लाख रुपीज, ओके, अंबानी सर गिव मी 1 लाख रुपीज एंड ही टोल्ड मी return my amount after 2 years. Ambani sir told me return my amount 1 lakhs after 2 years at a 2% rate. So look at here, what are these things are. So this is basically, this is the amounts given by moneylender to the borrower. Means the person who take money from someone, that is known as borrower, and the money who gives the person who gives some money to,
All attendance.
I'm audible to you?
कर्जा.
यस, एक तरह से मतलब कर्ज लेते हैं, जो गांव में आपने सुना होगा कि जैसे ये बड़ा व्यक्ति है, प्रधान हो गया या कोई जिसके पास,
Sir,
यस यस,
sir, attendance एक और बार लो ना.
who is telling me this thing?
Sir, अथर.
Okay,
सर वो नेट की वजह से क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई.
okay, no issue, you are present, take over there. Okay, you are present beta, don't worry. Okay, no problem, you are present beta, Atharv.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't worry. So but try to understood what I'm trying to say. Suppose a money lender means a rich person and borrower means
कम पैसे वाला.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कम पैसे वाले को, पुअर पर्सन. Rich and poor. Rich person gives some amount to him. Okay, rich person gives some amount to him. So this poor person known as borrower. मीन जो पैसा किसी से उधार लेता है वो बोरोवर, और जो देता है उसको बोलते हैं गिवर, देने वाला. ठीक है, और दिस अमाउंट इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल. प्रिंसिपल स्कूल और प्रिंसिपल नहीं, प्रिंसिपल. Look at there, principal means this spelling is different. This is principal and this is a principal. Principal means this is a amount, means whatever amount taken by borrower to from richer means giver. Okay, so this amount is known as principal. Okay class, this is a principal means
Okay, sir.
my principal sir, or this is principal means an amount which are taken by borrower from the giver. Okay, means poor person takes some amount from a rich person, so this amount is basically known as principal. Or if you want to try understand in some other way, suppose bank gives some amount to me, so I am borrower and bank is giver. ओके क्लास, लोन टाइप, हम लोग बैंक से लोन लेते हैं ना बेटा, सो बैंक इज गिवर पर एंड आई एम बोरोवर. ओके, इज दिस ओके एवरीवन, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट?
Okay, sir.
Everyone are able to understood what I'm trying to say?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So the amount which are taken by borrower, which is known as principal. And look at here, this is written something here. 2 year. 2 year means for what time I will take some amount. Means मैं रिचर ने मुझको ये कहा कि मैं ये अमाउंट आपको 2 years के लिए दूंगा. अंबानी सर ने मुझको कहा मैं 2 इयर्स के लिए आपको दूंगा 1 लाख रुपीज, और कहा कि 2% रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आपका लगेगा, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पर एनम, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पर ईयर, कि इस हिसाब से मतलब आपको हमें पैसा वापस करना पड़ेगा। तो हम कैसे हम निकालेंगे कि कितना पैसा हम लोग कितना पैसा हमें देना पड़ेगा उसको। सो लुक एट हियर, फॉर दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, simple interest. So what is simple interest? S represented as SI, it will find it out P into R into T upon 100.
P means
T means time.
no.
Here P means principal.
R
R
means
means rate of interest.
okay, and T means time.
And T means time.
Here
Time means 2 years, 3 years, 6 months, 12 months, whatever. And SI stand for simple interest. So this is basically formula how to calculate. No, this is only simple interest. If we are talking about how much amount we will give to the giver. Suppose principal I have taken 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. Time 2 year, rate 5%. Okay, so what amount should I give? So amount will we have to give, that principal we have to give all, principal तो हमें देना ही पड़ेगा, मतलब जितना तो हमें लिया है उतना तो देना ही पड़ेगा, प्लस और क्या हमें देना पड़ेगा, और हमें SI देना पड़ेगा, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, ये चीज हमें देनी पड़ेगी, यानी कि 1000 रुपीज प्लस whatever the simple interest of this one, we will put it down these values over here, find it out. So we have to put down here, add them, then this amount we have to give or return to the giver, to the bank, to the money lender, anyone. Okay class, जिससे हम पैसा लेंगे उसको हमें वापस कितना करना पड़ेगा, 1000 rupees plus interest, whatever the, I will try to find out interest over here. Look at here, and 1000 into R means 5. R means R written in this form, rate of percentage, into T means 2 upon 100. 2 0 cancel. So what? 5 for 10, 10, 10, 100. That means 100 rupees extra. That means we have to give 1100 to money lender, to bank, to Ambani sir. Okay, means simple thing, to whom I will take this money, we have to give return back this amount. Okay class, okay beta, say yes or no.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now listen, I will repeat my all things today what we have discussed. So look at here, ratio to percentage. I'm repeating today's lecture, how to convert ratio to percentage. Suppose A ratio B, so part of A will be written as A upon A plus B, a part of B written as B upon A plus B. And if you want to convert into percentage, multiply by 100. Is it okay class? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those who are not taken a screenshot, take a screenshot of this one. Now percentage increase or decrease means, suppose 2020 Hyundai car cost will be 7,20,000, and 2021 Hyundai car same car cost will be 680. So there will be decreasement over here. So we have to use this formula, and take a screenshot of this one. And in 2020 your school fee will be 2,000. In 2021 your school fee will be 3,500. So in this case we have to use increase because our fees will be increased. Okay, now selling price. Selling price means the amount on which we have purchased some items from somewhere, that is known as cost price, that is known as cost price. The amount from which we have purchased, the amount which we sell the